1998 Road King Classic. We swapped out the saddlebags with hard bags, the late model saddlebags. We put the extended headlight nacelle, 12-inch ape hangers, new chrome rims, spokes, stainless steel front rotors. We have a Daymaker headlight and passing lamps on it. It's fresh paint. We put the old school emblems on it. Got more of that retro look going on. We got Python True Dual exhaust, twin cam 88 motor with upgraded top end on it with cams, lay down tag bracket, LED tail lights, ready for the road.